Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day 4 of free AI Agents 0 to Hero course. In this video, we will cover how AI agent evolved step by step and where LLM fit. So most people think ChatGPT suddenly created the AI revolution. But the truth is AI has been evolving for over 70 years and large language models are just one layer in a much bigger AI stack. So in this video, I will show you how AI evolved step by step and exactly where LLM fit in the structure. Think of artificial intelligence like a multi-floor building. Each new floor was built on top of the previous one as technology improved. We didn't jump directly to ChatGPT. Instead, AI evolved through five major layers. First is core AI concepts, second is machine learning, third is deep learning, fourth is generative AI, and fifth is agentic AI systems. Let's walk through each layers. So layer 1 is core AI concepts, the foundation. This is the oldest layer of AI. Before computer could learn from data, scientists tried to make machine intelligent using logic and rules. Three important ideas came from this era. First is reasoning. Reasoning means making logical decisions based on rules. Example, if temperature is greater than 40 degrees Celsius, then turn on the AC. If it's raining, then carry umbrella. So early AI systems worked exactly like this. Example included chess program or medical diagnosis expert systems. But there was a problem. Every situation needed manual rules written by human. Now second is planning. Planning means deciding a sequence of steps to achieve a goal. Example, a robot making tea. So the sequence here is boil water, add tea leaves, add sugar, then pour into cup. The AI had to plan every step before acting. Third is knowledge representation. This is how computer store knowledge and relationship. Example, instead of storing plain text, dog is an animal, animal breathe oxygen. AI stores it like a relationship graph, like dog to animal, animal breathe oxygen. This helps machines understand connections between concepts. The problem with early AI is these systems worked, but they had one big limitations. Human had to write rules for everything. So researchers looked for a better solution. Now coming to layer 2. This is machine learning. Machine learning changed everything. Instead of writing rules manually, we let computer learns patterns from data. Example, spam detection. Old approach is if email contains lottery, then it is a spam. Machine learning approach is feed the system thousands of spam email. The model learns pattern automatically. The simple example is fraud detection. Banks train models using data like transaction amount, location, time, device. The model learn pattern like large transaction from unusual location, possibly a fraud. So the important terms here are first is dataset, collection of data used for training. Second is training, which is process where a model learns pattern. And third is model, a mathematical system that makes prediction. So machine learning models are only as good as the data they are trained on. Now the third layer is neural network or deep learning. So machine learning worked well, but struggled with complex data like images, speech, and language. So researchers created neural network. These are inspired by the human brain. A neural network contains layer of artificial neurons. That is, we have an input, then we have hidden layers, then we have output. Example is image recognition. So here input is image pixels and output is, for example, this is a cat. When networks contain many layers, it becomes deep learning. Problems deep learning solved are face recognition, speech recognition, language translation, and self-driving car visions. One famous example is AlphaGo, which defeated the world champion in the game of Go. So the deep learning is the technology that made modern AI possible. Without it, today's generation models would not exist. Now the fourth layer is generative AI. Earlier AI systems mostly classified or predicted things. Example, is this spam? Is this a dog? But new models can create brand new content. This field is called generative AI. Generative AI can create text, images, code, music, videos. Now, here we have large language models, which is LLM. LLMs are the part of the generative AI layer. They are trained on massive text datasets from the internet. They learn grammar, reasoning patterns, word knowledge. Example includes ChatGPT, GPT-4. Example prompt, write a story about space travel. The model generates a completely new story. Now, second is image generation models. Generative AI also includes diffusion models. Example include DAL-E, stable diffusion. These models work roughly like this. Start with random noise, then gradually convert noise into an image. Prompt example, a tiger drinking coffee in a cafe. The model generates a brand new image. Now the third is multimodal AI. Multimodal systems can understand multiple types of data at once. Example includes text, image, audio, video. An example is GPT-4V, which can analyze images and answer questions about them. Now, the fifth layer is Agentic AI systems, which is the newest layer. The newest evolution in AI is agentic systems. Instead of just answering questions, AI can now complete tasks autonomously. These are called AI agents. And agents typically includes first is a model, which is often an LLM. Second is memory. Third is planning capability. And fourth is tools. Example task, book the cheapest flight for tomorrow. An AI agent might search the internet, compare the prices, decide the best option, and book the ticket. A standalone LLM cannot do all this, but agent system can. Real example is AI coding agent can read GitHub repositories, write code, run tests, and fix error automatically. So here is the visualization of AI stack. Think of the evolution like this. So the first is core AI concept, second is machine learning, then deep learning. After that, we have generative AI, which includes LLMs, diffusion, multimodal. And on the top, we have agentic systems. Each layer depends on the one below it. Now the question comes, where LLM fit? Large language models sit in the generative AI layer. They are built using deep learning, trained using machine learning, and inspired by core AI concepts. And they power modern agentic AI systems. So LLMs are not the top of AI. They are the engine enabling modern AI applications. So now the question is why understanding this stack matters. If you want to work in AI or Gen AI, understanding the stack help you know what skills to learn. Example, core AI, logic, and algorithm. In machine learning, we have to learn statistic and Python. In deep learning, we have to learn neural networks and frameworks like PyTorch. In generative AI, we have to learn prompt engineering, RAG, fine tuning. And in agentic AI, we have to learn agents, tools, orchestration framework. So, in simple summary, AI evolved through five major stages. First is rule based AI, second is machine learning, third is deep learning, fourth is generative AI, and fifth is agentic AI systems. LLMs are not the final stage of AI. They are a powerful layer that enables modern intelligence systems. If you want to truly understand AI, don't just learn tools like ChatGPT. Learn how the entire AI stack works. In the next video, we will explore how LLMs actually work internally. In simple terms, anyone can understand. So if you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, comment your biggest AI question, and subscribe for more deep dive AI explanation. See you in the next one.